The broken pot. Sometimes in our lives, we feel that we are worthless because of some fault that we have. We think we are of no use, life has no meaning, and we don't see any purpose. But often, what we call our weakness can actually become our strength. Once there was a farmer who had two pots. Every morning he carried them on a stick from the river to his house. One pot was perfect. It was proud that it always carried a full load of water. The other pot had a small crack. By the time the farmer reached home, it leaked half of its water. One day the cracked pot said sadly, "Master, I feel ashamed. I cannot hold all the water. I waste your time and energy. Why do you still use me?" The farmer smiled gently and said, "Don't worry, my friend. Tomorrow I will show you something." The next morning, as they walked back from the river, the farmer asked the pot to look around. On the side where the cracked pot always dripped, there were rows of bright, beautiful flowers. On the other side, where the perfect pot walked, the ground was totally dry. Do you see these flowers? I planted seeds on your side of the path, and every day you watered them with your little crack. Because of you, my house is full of fresh flowers. You thought you were weak, but you have given beauty and joy to my home. The cracked pot was silent for a moment. Tears of happiness filled its eyes. It realized that its weakness had become its gift. From that day on, it no longer felt ashamed. Instead, it felt proud that it was making a difference in its own special way. The moral of today's story is, just like the cracked pot, we all have flaws, but those flaws can lead to unexpected beauty and purpose. Don't hide your weakness, learn to use it. Remember this, your weakness can become your greatest strength. Don't give up, believe in yourself. You have a purpose and you matter.